side. This is what diamond is.
Oh, my goodness, how beautiful.
Wow. I did this one for, don't make me laugh. I did this one for Mule Days to try to sell it, but I didn't get it done in time.
That's beautiful. And how long did that take you?
This one probably took me, I don't know, I probably a year, just because I didn't work on it that much.
Ah, it's beautiful. I can see why they call it diamond painting now, because it glistens.
This one is, did this other one for my great grandson for his bedroom. This one took me about 4 months to do.
Oh, I love it.
Down by the river.
Yeah, that is beautiful. And that is the legend over there on the other side of
Yes,
what the
this
beads
side
are.
here tells you what, there's symbols all over the canvas. Some are letters, some are symbols, some are numbers, and it tells you which one to put. It's like diamond paint. I mean, it's like a paint by number kind of.
And it's diamond painting because it shines like diamonds.
Is it hard to see when you're doing it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's part of my problem. I can't do it all the time because of the, unless it's light enough. I have a headlamp, and so I sometimes use my headlamp. But
Does it, what kind, for those of us that are in limited space,
this is excellent.
because it doesn't take up much, the supplies doesn't take up
Very
much?
portable. I'm actually a quilter at heart, but the quilting is harder to do out here, you know, because of space constraints and not having everything perfectly in place. These you buy by the kit. It comes with everything you need to diamond paint, including the pen and the diamonds. The canvas is sticky, so it has a plastic cover over the front of it. So you peel back that cover and you can either put some kind of papers on it. They have to be special papers, but you put some kind of papers on each section that you're going to work on, or you know, that you're not going to work on actually. And then you go just section by section.
Well, that's just
You can
beautiful.
look it up on YouTube. There's quite a few out there. So
Well, that's gorgeous, and it's just glistening in the sun.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judy. Yay!